Oh, see the fish? Hey, teeny tiny. Ooh. Ooh, that one is bigger up there. It's a little bigger. How big do they get at full size?
Here, about the size of like a small pan. Like if they're able to actually like get full size, but most of the ones here, they're not going to get much bigger than this. But there are some that can get like really big.
Y'all can't see it. The turtle stopped moving, but it's there. I think he's camera shy, y'all. Oh.
I think it's funny because if you look down, you can actually see like some of the lilies coming up out the ground too.
We're out in nature, y'all. Well, cityfied nature.